With us now is HSBC Global Private Banking and Wealth Chief Investment Officer Jose Rasco. Good to have you. Jose, you say that the budget is the wild card for the markets here. And once we know what's happening there, we reprice. But don't we still have these tariff windows, these 90-day tariff windows looming?
Oh, yeah, no, it's one of, remember, the Trump financial policy is three-legged stool. Tariffs are number one. And not only do we need deals on tariffs, we need signed agreements. Then we need to make sure that people are going to enforce those agreements, right? So this is not a short process, number one. Number two, I think the market will get some respite from finding out that deals are better than not. Number two is the budget process, the debt ceiling. That's going to play out over the next 60, 30, maybe 90 days if it doesn't go well. So that's another part of the process. And last but not least is deregulation. We're counting on deregulation to help not only financials, which would help free up some capital for financials, but for the energy sector. If we can increase exploration and production, that, along with the OPEC agreement we saw a week or two ago, would help keep energy prices in check, which would help the Fed and their disinflation policies.
Jose, what about those deals? I mean, we got sort of the outlines of a UK deal a week or so back, and then nothing, when I thought we had heard that all of these deals were sort of in the offing. Now we were hearing this noise about the EU today. Is the market not caring about that as much as it seemed like we were a couple weeks back?
No, I think it is. But right now, the budget has become a front burner issue, right? And clearly we need to see some closure in terms of the budget and the debt ceiling. And markets are, in terms of term premium, making the point that if the deficit is going to expand from here, there is some risk of further volatility here in the short term. And that's what we've been calling for, because we think, look, the policy change is fine, but you're going to have to reprice as we go along here. And that's what we see in the short term. Longer term, we still like some fundamentals, assuming they don't change, right? We still like them, but we have to get through this period first, John. And the budget's front and center right now.